Today we're going to practice Group 3 of Jolly Phonics letter sounds. Letter sound G. Action G, G. The water girl goes down the drain. The water girl goes down the drain. The water girl goes down the... Letter sound O. Action O, O, O. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Letter sound Action Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Letter sound Action We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Letter sound Action My friends and I went to the beach with a floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Letter sound B, B. Action B, B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B, B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B, B.